Cardamom is a spice that has been used for centuries in various cuisines and medicinal practices around the world. The plant is native to the Indian subcontinent and Indonesia and belongs to the ginger family. The use of cardamom can be traced back to ancient times. In India, it was mentioned in ancient Sanskrit texts such as the Charaka Samhita and the Sushruta Samhita, which are considered to be among the earliest Ayurvedic texts. Cardamom was highly valued in these texts for its medicinal properties, such as aiding digestion and treating respiratory disorders. Cardamom was also highly valued in ancient Egypt and Rome, where it was used as a perfume and spice. It was even included in the recipes of ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, who is known as the father of modern medicine. During the Middle Ages, cardamom became a popular spice in the Arab world and was traded along the spice route. It was highly valued for its aroma and was often used to flavor coffee and tea. The spice was also used for medicinal purposes, and was believed to have aphrodisiac properties. Today, cardamom is still widely used in various cuisines around the world, from Indian curries to Scandinavian baked goods. It is also used in the production of perfumes, soaps, and other cosmetics, as well as in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. Chemical composition of cardamom. The chemical composition of cardamom can vary depending on the species, origin, and processing methods used. However, some of the major chemical components of cardamom include essential oils. Cardamom contains essential oils that are responsible for its characteristic aroma and flavor. These oils include terpenes, such as alpha-terpineol acetate, limonene, and cineol, as well as phenolic compounds such as eucalyptol and linalool. Volatile compounds. Cardamom also contains a variety of volatile compounds, including aldehydes, ketones, and esters. These compounds contribute to the unique flavor and aroma of the spice. Carbohydrates. Cardamom contains a variety of carbohydrates, including glucose, fructose, and sucrose. Proteins and amino acids. Cardamom contains small amounts of proteins and amino acids, such as tryptophan, lysine, and valine. Minerals. Cardamom contains several minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Fiber. Cardamom is a good source of dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health. Overall, the chemical composition of cardamom is complex and diverse, and it is believed that the various components work synergistically to produce the spice's unique flavor and aroma, as well as its health benefits. Health benefits of cardamom. Here are some of the potential health benefits of cardamom. Digestive health. Cardamom has been traditionally used to aid digestion, and studies have shown that it may help reduce symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating, nausea, and stomach cramps. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cardamom contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, such as eucalyptol and cineol. These compounds may help reduce inflammation in the body and may be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis. Antioxidant properties. Cardamom is a rich source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body against oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This may be beneficial for reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Oral health. Cardamom contains compounds with antibacterial properties that may help prevent the growth of bacteria in the mouth. This may be beneficial for reducing the risk of oral infections and bad breath. Respiratory health. Cardamom has traditionally been used to treat respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis, and studies have suggested that it may have bronchodilatory and anti-inflammatory effects. Blood sugar control. Some studies have suggested that cardamom may help improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes by increasing insulin sensitivity. While more research is needed to fully understand the health benefits of cardamom, incorporating this flavorful spice into your diet may have a range of potential health benefits. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and press bell button icon for the latest updates. Keep visiting the channel and also share with friends and family.